So, what if you could grow a working iPhone from a tiny little seed?
And we're not just talking about storing data on a seed. No, it's way crazier than that. The idea is you plant the seed, add some water, and it literally builds its own factory. It pulls stuff from the soil and turns it into circuits, glass, a whole phone.
Now, if you actually saw this happen, would you think the seed's code did it all by itself?
Right, because information requires an executor. A blueprint needs a builder, plain and simple.
Yeah, you wouldn't just say, oh, it grew naturally. You want to know who the engineer was. Okay, so here's where it gets really interesting. How different is this from an apple seed? I mean, we're taught an apple seed contains instructions and just, grows naturally.
But get this, the argument here is that an apple is billions of times more complex. We're talking about 10 septillion atoms, all perfectly arranged in just one apple.
Whoa! So for the iPhone seed, we'd say it needs an engineer. But for the apple seed, we just say nature. You see, the seed is just the plan. It doesn't actually have the power to build the tree, which means the one who wrote the plan must also be the one who's building it. So blaming it on abstract things like nature is like saying a house blueprint can build itself. And that, according to the source, is like stripping the artwork of its artist. So that leaves us with a huge question. If a blueprint can't build itself, then what does?